Hi, welcome to ARTBOX video instructions. For August, we are creating blended lines. Step 1, lay out all of your supplies. Step 2, prepare your working surface and choose a sheet of pastel paper. Step 3, draw a curved line from corner to corner. Step 4, fill the entire paper with curved lines. Step 5, test out the oil pastels and the colors you want to use. Step 6, color in your design. Step 7, layer colors to achieve depth and interest within your work of art. Using the white oil pastel, choose one section to lighten up. Color over top of the chosen section. Then, using a blending stick or your finger, blend the colors together. Experiment with different blending. Oil pastels are highly blendable, which makes this such a fun medium to work with. So don't be afraid to experiment. That's why you have those tester strips. Step 8, continue to layer and blend the oil pastels. Step 9, complete your work of art by adding some darker detail lines where your initial pencil lines were drawn. Soften these darker detail lines by running your finger or the blending stick over the entire length of the lines. You can completely skip this step if you'd like. Step 10, congratulations on your finished work of art. We hope you enjoyed this project. Now on to the next. Using the same supplies but different colors, we're going to make a geode. Step 1, pick out your colors. You definitely want to use white. You're going to use white to draw the outline and the interior lines of this drawing. Keep in mind that everyone's drawing will vary slightly, so don't panic if yours doesn't look exactly like this. You will be blending and layering and overlapping these lines, so if you make a mistake, no worries, you're going to cover it up anyway. Okay, now it's time to start coloring. Now the direction that you color is going to vary a little bit. Towards the top where that circular shape is, you're going to make lines that start at the circular shape and work outward. And then the other sections, you're going to follow those curved lines and create lines in that direction as you color in. Once you have your first layer of colors down, then you're going to go back and layer other colors over top. Feel free to experiment with this, but just remember you want to have some variation in your geode of the different layers. So some areas will be darker and some areas will be lighter. You want to blend, blend, blend to make this look nice and smooth. Congratulations on your finished work of art. We hope you enjoyed this project as well.